Modifying single-player games with Cheat Engine and got a CMT cheat table. These contain shared memory cheats for various games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Cheat Engine cheat table files. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium CMT file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. A CMT file is a cheat table created by Cheat Engine, a popular open-source memory scanner and debugger. Users create these files to store memory addresses and scripts that modify video games, enabling cheats like infinite health or ammo. The high search volume comes from gamers seeking to download or use these tables. The file is typically a structured binary or XML-based format containing a list of memory addresses, their data types, and associated Lua scripts. This design allows Cheat Engine to efficiently read the table, locate the specific memory locations in a running game process, and apply the user-defined modifications or scripts. For full editing functionality, CMT requires Cheat Engine, which is supplied by Byte. Windows is unable to perform a full checksum validation required by this file type. Windows gives only surface-level information, so detailed access requires specialized game-related software. We are checking the software landscape. Right-click your CMT file and select Open With. If Cheat Engine is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We need to check every possibility. If your CMT file will not open, do not worry. The reason for the error is almost certainly the CMT file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, opening in Cheat Engine. Download Cheat Engine from cheatengine.org and install on your system. Launch Cheat Engine and use File then Load. Selecting the CMT cheat table. Attach to the running game process through the process selector. The cheat table activates with all defined modifications available through the address list interface. Next, activating specific cheats. With the table loaded, enable individual cheats by clicking checkboxes next to each entry. Use assigned hotkeys for quick activation during gameplay. Some cheats include configurable values directly editable in the table. Test each cheat carefully, as some may cause game crashes or save corruption requiring careful experimentation. Finally, sharing cheat tables. Share CMT files through Cheat Engine forums or modding communities specific to particular games. Document the cheats included game version compatibility and usage instructions. Recipients load the table in their Cheat Engine installation, activating cheats for the specific game version. Note that online games typically prohibit cheating with severe consequences. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.